Welcome to section 16.2, the digestive system. In this section, we'll explore the digestive system, how food travels through the body, gets broken down, and how nutrients are absorbed to keep us alive and healthy. By the end of this section, you should be able to describe the structure of the digestive system, explain how the mouth's structure supports its function, outline the steps of digestion, identify the major accessory organs, and explain how organs coordinate to digest and absorb nutrients. The digestive system is a continuous tube from the mouth to the anus. Along the way, food passes through the oral cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and finally the anus. Both mechanical and chemical processes work together to break food into forms the body can use. Digestion begins in the mouth. Teeth break food into smaller pieces. That's mechanical digestion, while saliva moistens it and begins chemical digestion. Salivary glands release amylase, an enzyme that starts breaking down carbohydrates. The tongue helps form the food into a bolus for swallowing. From the mouth, food moves down the esophagus to the stomach, where acids and enzymes continue the breakdown process. The small intestine is the main site of digestion and nutrient absorption. The large intestine absorbs water and forms feces, preparing waste for elimination. Accessory organs help digestion, but food doesn't pass through them. Salivary glands add enzymes in the mouth. The liver produces bile to digest fats, stored and released by the gallbladder. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes and bicarbonate to neutralize stomach acid. Digestion is a coordinated process. Muscular contractions, called peristalsis, move food along. Enzymes and other secretions are released at the right time and place, controlled by hormones and nervous system signals. There are 6 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins, minerals, and water. Macronutrients, carbs, proteins, and lipids, are needed in large amounts. Micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, are needed in small amounts. Essential nutrients must come from food, and a balanced diet supports energy, growth, and health. The digestive system breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and eliminates waste. It involves a series of organs working together with help from accessory organs to turn what we eat into usable fuel and building materials.